Hey guys, how's it? Gwiritsa nyimbo zanga, and I know you've been waiting for. And Maskal mukudigirira. So I'm releasing 2 songs. They are promo songs. There is Mwanga and Gwiritsa. Mwanga pretty much talks about a bachelor, not complaining about Maskal akufuna atayamba life ina, from a bachelor kufuna to have a family. So amagamba kwambiri bino benaliye bino anhonena they keep walking him. So he's much of a guy who is willing to start a new life, to start a family. Yeah, so Mwanga talks much about that. And then there's Gwiritsa. Gwiritsa talks about a relationship that is going through a lot of things, going through ups and downs. And then you tell your partner, Gwiritsa, asambere to love is about 2 people, they only go kwa vula. It talks about it's about hope. It's about giving your partner hope, giving your partner a hand to still move on, to still go, and to still fight for love. I hope you're going to enjoy the songs, and because I am enjoying the songs. Maskal here, love you more.